Hey y'all, so we had got invited to a kitty play date, and I hate that I'm late for my first impression. Hey Malia! So we are here. But anyways, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I remember to record. If not, I'll let y'all know how it goes. Sorry. Say hi! Malia!
I get the feeling, so I'm sure. And in my head because I'm yours. I can't pretend, I can't ignore you, right? Don't think you wanna know just where I've been.
You wanna put stuff in the car? Huh? Why are you throwing stuff in the floor?
I got my pictures out in Georgia. Yeah, shit.
I get the feeling, so I'm sure. Stand in my head because I'm
ready.
I can't pretend, I can't ignore you, right?
Go.
Don't think you wanna know just where I've been. Got me distracted. All I need is right in my arms. Your kiss is like the sweetest of mine, and I'll be right here with you till the end.
I got my pictures out in Georgia. Yeah, shit.
I get the feeling, so I'm sure. Stand in my head because I'm yours. I can't pretend, I can't ignore you, right? Don't think you wanna know just where I've been. Got me distracted. All I need is right in my arms. Your kiss is like the sweetest of mine.
Let me get some.
Right here with you till the end.
I got my pictures out in Georgia. Yeah, shit.
Cookie? Ooh, it's so good.
I get the feeling, so I'm sure. Stand in my head because I'm yours. I can't pretend, I can't ignore you, right? Don't think you wanna know just where.
Y'all can't see me, it's so dark. Hey y'all, so we just came back from a play date and they had a slide there, and Malia is obsessed with the slide. At Target, as y'all can see. So y'all, we are gonna go into Target. This Target is the only Target, and so happened to be down the street from where we just had a play date from, and they have the green top wrapping paper, and it's black owned. It has a black Santa, and ironically we're here, so we're gonna run in Target real quick and we're gonna do a quick little Target trip. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. It's nighttime. Malia is still up, so I gotta hurry up. And you know what's funny? This is the only Target that has the green top wrapping paper. So I had bought some wrapping paper before, but I'm gonna return it so that I can get that one. I'm so excited. I'm gonna run in there and get that, and she also needs some milk. All right, so I'm in the gift wrap area. Look, so they have this one, and they have, oh, that's Disney. Where did it go? That's that one, and this one. So I got this one, and I got the black one, and I saw another thingy. Oh, they have this thing over here. So they have actual gift bags too. So it's representing us, one time for us, woo woo. So I'm just gonna get those, and I'm gonna return the other one because it doesn't go with my tree, and I really wanted to support this brand. So we're about to get out of here. I want to take a thumbnail in here, but oh, let me get your milk. Your milk. Look, Malia, look. Alright, now we need to get the milk. Let me just cut through here. There it goes. sleepy. I'm so sleepy. I don't know if she's gonna go to school tomorrow because I'm sleepy. And you already know. Oh, I was gonna say they don't have her milk, but they have it. I'm sorry, mommy was supposed to make you some oat milk, but I'm sorry. Convenience make my life easier. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go this way.
3.
Yeah, 3.
1, 2, 3.
All right.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Anything else? She has breakfast.
1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3.
This Target has an Ulta. Yeah. But too bad I don't know nothing about makeup. Hey y'all. So it is the next day. I had to put back on my hat because I left out the house late as usual. Malia's in therapy now, and then after that I'm gonna take her to school. But last night we really had an amazing time. It was so cute to see all the kids playing together. Malia somewhat played with the kids, but she likes to play by herself. But the play date was fun. I wish I could do more things like that because Malia don't get to be around other kids that often outside of school, because at school, of course at school she's just learning, but I'm saying like a play date, like, you know, she don't get to do stuff like that unless it's with her cousin, but he's older. But yeah, I had a really nice time, and I gotta get my baby a slide because she was on that slide pretty much the whole time. I had to like get her to do other stuff. But I'm recording this on my camera, on my phone, because I forgot my camera, of course. But yeah, Malia is in therapy. I need to fix my hair. Malia is in therapy, and then I'm gonna drop her to school, and then I'm gonna go home and clean. But I'm gonna close out this video, and I want to thank you guys again for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Peace out.